Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see an yet another interesting topic in Python to the continuation of our previous video, which is data types and variables. So this will be the part 2 you can consider, because this video is also exclusively deals about the data types, because in our previous video we have seen about the data types, right? Common types which we are using in our Python programming. But today we are going to see, after creating this particular data types or the variables which with a particular data types, and convert it into our required data type, how to do that. So that is called as the typecasting, right? This is the important interview questions in a beginner level interview, and I give you a promise that this question will be asked out of 8 times in 10 interviews, because typecasting plays a vital role in Python programming or building a proper Python programming. So what is the meaning of it? It says change one data type into other. That's called data type or typecasting. Simple. Just you are changing a data type from one to other. You can change it from string to number, number to string, anything. So how to achieve that? That's we are gonna see it in this particular video. Do not waste time. Let's see it in our practical manner. So I have given a header that it's a typecasting. Now I'm gonna show it to you in practical example. Right? Yes. So what I'm going to take our string to integer method. Okay. So first we'll take some string and we'll convert it into integer method. Okay. So typecasting, in that I'm saying string to integer. Okay, so let's add other text here. I'm giving again age is equal to 23. This is given. I'm executing this code, and if I want to find out this particular type of age, right, it is saying string. Now you can see the result as a string, right? What I'm going to do, I need to convert it into integer format, because age always in the number, not in a text format. So what I have to do, right? I'm just giving an variable called proper format. You can just mention whatever you want. I'm just making it as proper format, integer of age. Simple. Now if I want to find the type of this particular variable, what will happen? So just add this, execute. I can say it's an integer. So but still you can say, like, I have a doubt here. Let me know, is it properly converted into integer or not? So what I am going to do is format is equal to, again, proper format plus 5. I am saying, executing it, and now if I print the proper format value, I'm gonna get 28, because my age is 23 and plus 5 is a 28. So ideally you can able to witness my string value is converted into integer properly. So this is the one type of conversion from string to integer. I'm going to reverse this one from integer to string. How to achieve that, I'm going to show it now. Let's take the same example. Okay, let's take the age from our previous example, integer. Say integer to string. let's say age is equal to 23. Now what I have to do is I have to convert my age from number to string. So what I'm saying, age converted is equal to str of my age. Now what I'm going to say, still says it's in integer format. Okay, it should not be the age, it should be age converted. Now it says string. So if I say age converted plus 5, what will be the error? Yeah, it says can only concatenate string, not integer to string. So ideally this is in string, this is in this is in the number and this is in the string, so it will not work. So it is properly converted. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it as your age is plus age converted. Now you can see my age is 23. So this is how you can switch between integer to string and string to integer, or the same way you can use it for other typecasting method to change your data type from one type to other one. Hope this video finds useful for you. If you have any doubts in this video, please reach out to me. I'll be happy to assist you all the time. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from me. Thank you. Have a great day.